Yes, my people, so you all can see. Whoa, what was that? Corona is here, in Sweden, as you can see. People that can stay home and work from home. You can see it's all empty in the lobby. No one wants to work and in store gathering because of the coronavirus. It's very pandemic, so if you can avoid being out in store, big groups. Sorry for my Swinglish, I speak both Swedish and English, so at times I might miss a word by using the Swedish language. But yeah, it's now actually on all the countries and islands in the world, so you all know, be sanitized, keep yourself safe, keep your family safe, and do your best to prevent the outbreak from spreading. My people in Jamaica, what go on? We have to do our best to stay fit and frisk, both physically and mentally. We have so low quality infrastructure. So if we can avoid putting a strain on our infrastructure, that would be the best thing for all of us. We have to preserve our life. It doesn't matter if we can't go to a market and sell food. Eat all of the food them, save the food them for yourself and the family. Don't worry about going to market and sell it. You hear them close the coronation market and a lot of people get angry. Look, this is Europe and people stay home. They won't come out and buy. I work in a restaurant, as you can see. Still I have to be here even though no people is gonna come, or not so much people actually. We normally have around 400 people. Today they send message that around 200 people arrived at work, but probably half of that, or less than half, or more than half, will come to eat because they try to do their precautions. So there in my country, people, may I beg you stay home, go on a farm more food, so when the crisis over, we have a lot more can sell, and make up back for where we want to last. But don't get angry at the government. The government have to try to do its best. As I say, and we all know, the infrastructure in our country is poor. And now we have a chance to not put a strain on it. And when we come back, we can build it. Jack Wamboga, big up yourself. You want to say something? What go on?
Everything Irie?
Jack this from down a road,
Yeah.
Down a road, Tivoli Garden.
Yeah.
Wamboga. Big up yourself, Jack. Down at Tivoli Garden, Yeah, man. So, we don't do nothing. I want to hear from me again. Corona is in Sweden. It's real, 6 people die already in Sweden. The number of cases is around 1,000. So, alright, take care of yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Love you, Big up. You're a boy Jamaica. Big up.